you can do before you open SharePoint and start creating sites is spend time with the people who are going to use the intranet. Not with the IT team, not with leadership, with the employees, the best intranet designers. And this is a consistent guidance from practitioners who've built intranets for organizations of every size. They start by mapping what they call employee journeys. What does a typical day look like for the people who are going to use this? What information do they need access to regularly? Where are the friction points in the current workflow? What do they spend time searching for that should be easy to find? What do they email HR or IT about that should be self-serviceable? A nurse in a healthcare organization needs different things from an intranet than an accountant in the finance department. And a new employee on their first week has entirely different needs than a 10-year veteran. A frontline worker who's primarily on a phone has different access patterns than someone at a desk with two monitors. If you build one intranet for all of those people without understanding their different journeys, they'll end up optimizing for none of them. Now, once you understand the people, you define the purpose, and this has to be specific. To improve communication and collaboration is not a purpose, it's a hope. A purpose sounds more like this intranet's primary job is to give every employee fast, reliable access to the policies, forms, and news they need to do their job from any device without having to email anyone to find it. Now that's specific, and that specific purpose becomes the filter for every design decision that follows. Every time there's a question about whether to include something or where to put it, you ask, does this serve that purpose? If it doesn't belong in the primary navigation. You also need to define success before you build. Think with the end in mind, right? What does a successful intranet look like for your organization? Is it a reduction in HR help desk tickets? Is it a measurable improvement in onboarding time for new employees? Is it the number of employees who use the intranet as their starting point for their workday? Now define those metrics up front, because they'll shape what you build and how you measure whether it's working after you launch. McKinsey research found that organizations using collaborative digital tools effectively can raise productivity by 20 to 25%. Now that's a real return on investment, but only if the tool is used. It won't be used if it wasn't designed around the people who need to use it.